No, first we talk about reasons why Amos condemned hypocritical religion, right? Yes. What were the reasons why he condemned hypocritical religion? Yes? Very good. We've already talked about them. They practiced what? Syncretism. Where I told you they were worshipping Yahweh at the same time with the small what? Gods. Yes, from other tribes. Yes, they did not have enough faith while worshipping. Very good. They had neglected God's prophets. Yes? Yes, they defiled the place of worship. I've talked about temple what? Prostitution, yes? Yes, very good. They gave offering and sacrifices as a show off. Yes?
They not enough faith when worshiping.
Yes, they did not have enough faith while worshipping, yes? Yes, they had other many ceremonial feasts and festivals which were not, celebrations were not involved with Yahweh. So we've talked about they neglected the God's prophets, they worshipped idols, they defiled the temple, they were involved in sexual what? Immorality. They offered sacrifice to show off. They were impatient. They were impatient in worship that they were worshipping so fast in order to do what? To go to get involved in business. So they were so impatient in worship because they wanted to go back to their businesses. So we also said they practiced syncretism, and then they had not enough faith. Factors that hinder Christian